Hello everyone, so today's video topic is about close calls in motocross. I know that these first videos are about pro motocross riders and how they can handle these hard situations, but still, it looks incredible and requires a lot of skills.
Watch this here, goes inside, folded the front, then he got away from him, hit the tough block, somehow stayed up, didn't go through the front door.
We all know how fast Jet Lawrence is, but this situation could have ended very badly. I can't believe how they handled this.
Sasha Coonan was too deep, and that may have cost him as well. Oh, off the side of the track!
In this situation, Jeffrey Herlings didn't count his limits.
Some braking bumps, and I'm sure Jeffrey Herlings had the same.
Perfect whip, but he landed too far. Let's try one more time.
The rider, has he had a moment? Oh, he's had more than a moment! Oh, having a word with the sponsors.
Mattia Guadagnini takes a big jump and he landed pretty hard, and you can see how he lost one arm from his bike. Jeremy Seaver shows his drifting skills on the track.
Seaver, I don't want to say he's on borrowed time, but tell you what, watch this here. Look at these edges. Just lighting up the back end, left, right.
You can see how close they are in this situation. It could have been a big crash. Sometimes you need to kick your opponent because he is too close. Leave a comment. So this is a great save or just a luck? Damn, that was very close, but the rider hooked on our rider's shoulder and you can see he's in a pain. This dude was praying when he saw riders coming to him. Actually, this situation looks really scary. Sometimes riders fall under the feet of not only girls. Too much throttle and he landed way too far. I don't know if there was a race or a training session, because if it was a race, where was the yellow flag? How much horsepower has this Honda? Because 2 more horsepower is on the track. When your buddy's filming you and you want to show him what you actually can do. Come on man, this dude has to buy a lottery ticket because the save was from another planet. I just can't understand how. This video was filmed in Red Bull's Red Ring when AJ Catanzaro made one of the best saves of all time. Wow. That was luck or skills, cause this dude seems like he got incredible bike control skills, or it was his just luckiest day. Leave a comment. First video was in Latvia MXGP and second was in AMA Supercross. They are professional riders, so it could be said that it is skills, but also professional lead success. This ride for this dude could have ended very badly, but somehow he survived it. Big sense in our sports are always risky, but if you don't take a risk, you don't go forward. I think it was part of the trick. You know, it's freestyle. I wonder, what was going through this dude's mind when he flew over it? Everything in this situation ended very well for this guy. But I don't get it. How? Some small but perfect motocross saves. Sometimes you lose control, but just for a second. Suspension leaves the chat. It was a rookie mistake. I think he got scared and then he did whiskey throttle. We know James Taylor Bubba very well, but I think in this situation it was more skills and well-tuned suspension than luck. Remember this, always in soft back tracks, hold your bike with your legs. I think this dude lost front wheel control, yeah? It's good that the dude on the left didn't jump and the next guy had a place to land. I think it was a scrub. Yeah, Jet? Morocco Flip is one of the biggest jumps in motocross history, so you have to be ready for it, or it could be bad. Nah, this dude just wanted to park in style, you know. I think it hurts a lot. Man, that sucks. It's whiskey throttle time, baby. Yeah, it's whiskey throttle time, baby. Yellow flag was displayed, but others are not interested in it at all. This dude, after that, got a lesson from his rider, because you can't finish right anywhere on the track you want.
Don't do that! Jump on the track. Don't swerve off left on the landing. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? That's all. Don't worry, no one's hurt, but I don't want to see you do it again and get nailed. Do you know what I mean?
What the heck is that? Never let off the throttle when you landing. I don't know how you call it, but you call it a cannon. When your eyes are looking in the sky, not at the track. They were really close at this jump, but both of them managed to handle this situation. I call it motocross battle.
That man-made mountain, he did not, and he makes the pass.
I think it was a little bit too much power, but he's a professional rider, so I think it's just bike control and skills. Justin Barcia came the corner with too much speed and drew him.
Maybe he did. Brandon 6th, Cooper, Alex Martin Robertson. Oh, how a head shot, hold on to that. Stays on the track and stays in front. No, he doesn't. No.
This looks so incredible. They are professional motocross riders, but sometimes they lost control too.
Wow.
But managed to handle that.
This is
Wow.
a real case of a bit of a huckabuck right here. His feet, he lost the front, and then look how did he stay on the bike, and then just grabs a handful, and off we go.
Watch this to the end. The dude was starting to drive, in the overside. It was a really nice save, because the rod in the jump was really big at that moment, and the rider was jumping right, so it was a really easy save. Most Queen got a whiskey throttle and was off the track, but managed to save it.
Moose Can goes right through the mud, gets back on the track, rocks and goes past.